So here we are with a room tour of a double queen in San Francisco at the Clift, the Royal Sonesta Hotel. And joining us for this trip is our special guest, Rufus. Rufus, do you want to do the room tour?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to hold it or do you want to narrate
I'll hold it.
You hold it. Okay. Right, so as I said, we've got two full-size queen beds and a really nice view out the city.
There's the view.
Okay. What's really good about this room is between the two beds there are an abundance of penguins and captain bears, but there are also plenty of USB sockets, and on each side there are 2 plus 2 North America power adapters.
Then over here, there's a table and a chaise lounge.
Rufus is currently doing his daily journal.
Then we have
The TV, how big do we think it's going to be?
like a very big TV. Then you also have coffee machine with Nesquik. And then if you come over here, we have a big wardrobe with safe. But it's a bit stupid because if you do this, you still can't get in there.
Yeah, it's a bit of a badly designed cupboard. We haven't used it. There is a full-size safe in there.
In here there's a
finally,
toilet,
bathroom
sink,
with a large vanity mirror,
and a bath with
step-in bath.
a handheld shower and a ceiling shower.
Cool.
Then we also have a toilet.
Yep, everyone loves the toilet. Right, thanks everyone. Ta-ta.
Bye.